Hi guys, it's a very cold and windy and grey morning here in Germany, and I'm on my way to the offices, to the municipality, to be more precise, to the registrar's office. So getting married is not only about planning for the wedding ceremony and the guest list and what you're gonna have for what music you are playing and so on and so forth, but rather it is about getting all your paperwork ready, and doing this on an international in an international marriage is probably not that easy. So that's what I want to talk about right now. But before I do so, just let me show you around where we are here. So this is my hometown of Langen, and I'm standing on a bridge and just panning the camera around. And over there, far away, you can see the skyscrapers of Frankfurt, and you can also see, the years coming to an end over here. It is indeed all grey and not so nice looking, and you can also see there are still some leaves on the trees, like this one over there, but others, they are completely barren already. So definitely the year coming to an end, and that also means for me that I want to head back to Kenya. Definitely, yes, that's what I want to do. Talking about the marriage papers, which is the serious part here, is we had been already to the embassy in Nairobi to get my fiance's birth certificate certified again for the German authorities, and that's where I'm going now, to the registrar's office, showing them what I have and probably find out what else is needed. We want to get married in Nairobi, just first do the paperwork and everything, and maybe we will have the big party later on, but definitely the first thing to do is get the paperwork clarified. So let's go. For sure I cannot take you into the offices there, that's not possible, but what I can do is give you an update afterwards, so talk to you then. So I'm back from the registrar's office, and what can I tell you? Is it good news? Is it bad news? And honestly, it's a mixed bag, really it is. Things are not as easy as they look, or as they looked or seemed before. I mean, I've heard about people are happily married from not only from Kenya and Germany, but from other countries too. And I had not imagined that it's gonna be so complicated. But let's get going one step after another. So I was told today that it all hinges on the validity of the documents provided, and in order to verify those documents that are needed, like for example the birth certificate, not mine but that of my spouse, is that there is a general doubt in the reliability of these documents, apparently. So there are scammers who take advantage or took advantage in the past of unclear legal situations or legal arrangements between Germany and Kenya, and they just they claimed to be a person that they are not. And since getting married is a legal act, and a legal act in Germany is always taken very, very seriously, everything has to be proven 100% correct and in order. So what's the deal here? So basically we have to provide a set of documents, like the birth certificate, and certificate of what is the word, impediment, from my future wife. So basically they want to know, is she married right now, or is she available? and that has to be certified by an authority. And then these documents have to be brought here to Germany. In Germany they are being inspected, but not only that, they are being sent back to Kenya, where they are handed over to the German embassy. The German embassy then appoints an attorney to check or to verify these documents. So they are allowed to dig up, to even go to the hospital where my future wife was born some 59 years ago, and to check if they have records about that birth, so a copy of the birth certificate which would prove that the birth certificate she has, that this is the real one and that it's not faked. And then this document, or this set of documents, is being sent back to Germany, and then after that I will get my certificate of impediment issued, and with this one I can go to Kenya and then conduct the marriage there. Ooh. Not only that, the whole procedure is supposed to take at least 6 months. There is no shortcuts, there is no way around that, and it's gonna cost from 500 euros upwards. So that's, honestly speaking, a little bit disheartening, and I asked myself, why is that so? So I not only asked myself, I asked the lady there at the registrar's office, and the lady explained to me, as I already said, well, there were scammers and so on and so forth. So again, it's the old story that, you know, the 5% of the population who have some criminal intent or tendencies, they just ruin it, they spoil it for the 95% who just want to go along and do their business. It is sad, but unfortunately this is how it is. Jokingly I said to the lady then, hey, listen, maybe I should just go and do some kind of a traditional marriage, something like this, maybe that will help. And she looked at me and said, I thought she might just laugh it off, but she said, hold on. Let me check quickly what we have here. And she said, she was reading, and then she said, okay, that's interesting. So maybe you can have some kind of a church wedding or a garden wedding or something like this. You have to check locally in Kenya and find out if this is possible. And if this marriage then is conducted by a pastor, you take the documents, bring it to the courthouse in Nairobi, get it registered there, then you bring it over here to Germany, but then you do not get here to the registrar's office, but you go to the immigration office. And the immigration office will take over and will then issue the visa, and will also legalize the marriage here under German law. Interesting. We don't know yet if this is an option. This is something we have to check out, we have to verify, but apparently so. This is what we're going to try. Going the correct way, like I intended to do, this is just awkwardly complicated and expensive and time consuming, and I asked myself, I mean, yeah, okay, is that really necessary? If there is any other option, I don't know, guys. I don't know how it is about you. Maybe there is somebody there amongst our viewers who went through that procedure already in the past. Would be interesting to know, or in general, what do you think about these kind of procedures? Are they necessary, or is it maybe because, you know, it's an African nation and the German authorities, they try to minimize influx from African nations? But if this is so, why do they do this with people who want to come here legally and not for the illegal immigrants? So there is a lot of you know, there is a lot of things to consider here, and I would be very much interested to learn what you have to say about that. So please let me know in the comments. And other than that, like and subscribe, and I hope that soon enough I come back to you with better news on this topic. And thank you. Bye.